What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Astro Bot. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the bottom edge of the eyes. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to curve this up and then down. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now I want to draw on the top of the eyes, starting back on the left. It's going to go up, almost like a half circle, and then bring that down on the inside. And I'm just going to line that up on the right. Now we're going to go all the way up to the top and draw a curve for the top edge of the screen. We're going to go up and then bend that down. Let's round up the sides, come down a little bit wider across the bottom of the head. Now let's round out the bottom, coming down and then up. Let's draw the outside of the head. Starting back on the left, we go up a little bit higher in the middle. And bring that down. Let's trace that screen coming along the outside, down towards the bottom. And I'll trace out the bottom of the head. Now from the center of the head, we're going to bend that antenna over towards the left side. So let's start up here with a circle. Then on the right, just going to bend this in and then down toward the center. Step up and just trace that on the outside. Let's add a little bit of texture across that antenna with a couple lines going across. Now we're going to move back to the center. Let's draw a small curve for the neck, coming down and then up. And then from the sides, round this out. Now I want to work our way down towards the bottom. And close out the bottom with a curve. Let's move out to the side and draw on the body. We're going to start on the left, underneath the head, come down, and then out toward the hips. Let's round out the hips, come across the bottom of the body, and then up on the right side. Now we're going to add a hinge along the base of the legs with a small half circle on either side. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw an oval, coming down and then back up. Let's draw the bottom half of the leg, starting from the outside, coming down and in. Now I'm going to round out the point of the leg and just tuck that up underneath. Let's separate the toe. We're going to go up and then down. And then along the top, we're going to add a trim with a curve. Let's go back up to the top and draw the top half of the arms, starting on the left, then it's out, and then in towards the side of the body. And then with the forearms, we're going to start from the top, going out, and then down. I want to leave a gap in between, so we're going to step down, curve the inside of the arm, going back up underneath. Now inside this gap, we're going to draw two lines going across, flatten off the left and right side. And then we're going to tuck two more fingers on either side. So these little squares coming down and out. And then in the center of the forearm, we're going to draw two lines coming down in an angle. Now over on the right side of the head, we're going to draw on the cape. We're going to start by coming up, coming down, and then up. Now from this point, we're just going to fold this in. We'll also fold in the bottom. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the head going around the eyes. And now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Astro Bot. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.